Imagine pulling into your dream campsite at sunrise with a motorhome that feels less like a vehicle and more like a luxury home on wheels, spacious, powerful, and designed for unforgettable travel experiences. That's exactly what you get with the 2026 Thor Motor Coach Aria, a premium diesel pusher that brings together refinement, comfort, and confidence for explorers who demand the best. Welcome back to Next Gen Motorhomes. And if luxury travel, seamless adventure, and high-end RV living excite you, hit that subscribe button now, because today's tour is one you'll want to see all the way through. From the moment you approach the Aria, its design tells you it's something special. Built on a Freightliner XCR raised rail chassis with an Atlas foundation, the Aria has the structural strength and comfort you need for long-distance travel. It's powered by a Cummins ISBXD 6.7L diesel engine that produces 360 horsepower and 800 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 6-speed Allison Image-Throw automatic transmission for smooth, confident performance on both highways and winding back roads. The exterior package delivers both rugged capability and polished style. A stealth blackout package comes standard, giving the Aria sleek black wheels, trim, and accents that stand out on the road. Optional chrome package accents offer a more refined look if you prefer a brighter finish. Premium build details like a one-piece fiberglass front and rear cap, Vacabond laminated walls, air ride suspension, and 295/80 or 22.5-inch radial tires come together for total confidence when you pull away from home. Step inside and you'll instantly notice how thoughtfully the Aria's interior is designed. High-end finishes like chalet-style or Stillwater cabinetry, leatherette theater seating with heat, massage, and USB ports, and a central vacuum system give the coach a sense of luxury and comfort you'd expect in a high-end stationary home. LED lighting throughout enhances the inviting atmosphere, while frameless dual-pane windows bring in natural light and panoramic views of your surroundings. The living area is engineered for comfort and connection. Multiple slide-outs expand the space to create a true living zone, perfect for entertaining guests, relaxing with family, or simply unwinding after a day of exploration. A residential-style double-door refrigerator with indoor ice and water, convection microwave, and solid surface countertops with decorative backsplash make the galley both functional and elegant for everyday living. Throughout the coach, power reclining theater seating with footrests invites you to lounge in comfort, watch a movie, or simply enjoy the scenery through panoramic windows. Integrated technology such as wireless phone chargers, multiple LED TVs, and optional exterior entertainment systems ensure you stay connected and entertained on the road. When it's time to rest, the Aria's bedroom is designed to be a true retreat. King-sized beds, including the Tilt-A-View adjustable bed in select floor plans, let you relax, read, or watch TV from the comfort of plush bedding. Abundant wardrobe storage, soft lighting, and luxury finishes create an atmosphere of home-like serenity after a full day of travel. The bathroom space in the Aria is equally impressive. A full residential shower, dual sinks in select configurations, and premium fixtures and finishes bring a spa-like feeling to your daily routine. No need to compromise on comfort when you're far from home. One of the standout aspects of the Aria is how it blends performance with everyday practicality. With features like automatic leveling jacks with touchpad controls, power lateral arm awnings with integrated LED lighting, and basement pass-through storage with easy slide trays, the coach makes setup, teardown, and storage effortless. On the tech side, the Aria includes upgrades that keep 2026 models ahead of the curve. A 14-inch touchscreen dash radio replaces older smaller units, offering improved navigation, media handling, and an intuitive interface for driver control. Built-in wireless charging pucks in nightstands and other cabin locations add convenience and reduce clutter. In terms of comfort systems, climate control is handled with precision. A powerful air conditioning system and hydronic furnace keep interior temperatures comfortable across seasons, while a tankless water heater ensures you always enjoy a strong, consistent hot shower. The Aria is designed to handle both summer heat and winter chill with equal ease. Let's talk about value. The 2026 Thor Motor Coach Aria starts from around $433,860 MSRP, reflecting its blend of diesel performance, premium interior features, and comprehensive systems that cater to long trips, full-time living, or weekends away with family or friends. Investing in the Aria isn't just about buying a motorhome. It's about investing in a lifestyle where comfort and capability come together. This coach is built for people who love the road and every mile between destinations. Whether you're heading towards national parks, beachside campgrounds, or planning cross-country trips that span months, the Aria gives you a living space that feels like home and a chassis that handles like a leader in its class. In the end, the 2026 Thor Motor Coach Aria isn't just RVing, it's luxury travel on wheels. It's for people who demand premium design, robust diesel performance, and thoughtful living spaces that make every journey as enjoyable as the destination. So before you go, hit that like button if you enjoyed this tour, subscribe to Next Gen Motorhomes for more motorhome walkthroughs, and comment below. Where would you take your Aria on its first epic trip? The road is waiting.